Alright, hello everyone back in the channel. So we have a new bike, Ducati V4. The bike is from Denmark. The thing is, we need to fill the oil in because the auction guys removed the oil cover and the oil is not inside in the bike. So firstly we need to make sure if the bike runs, and then we will discuss about the other things. So we need to fill the oil in, try to run the bike. Okay. Other keys. This place is crazy. Look at this car. Looks good. Alright, so we put the oil in, fill the oil in, and the engine works fine, everything is alright. We just ridden with the bike, and everything is alright. I don't know why in the Denmark place, the service, they remove the oil. We were worried that something will not be good with the engine, but everything is alright, so let's do the paperwork. Alright, so everything is alright with the documents, paperwork, so the bike is in the van and we're going home. Alright guys, the Ducati Streetfighter V4 2021 is back in the house, so I will show you the damages, how the bike looks. So let's start with this side. So the cover is damaged. The foot peg is missing. So scratches on the sides. Here's the plastic gone. Looks like the fender is only scratched. The good thing, the headlight, front headlight, it's not broken. There isn't the scratches, just dirt. So should be alright with the headlight because it's expensive, like 400 euros the headlight. The headlight bracket is broken. Okay. all handlebars, levers, handlebars broken. Lots of small things. What about this side? Oh yes, so here this like wing, so it's missing here on this side. So this one, the switch, I already checked. I can't buy only the buttons. I need to buy all the switch. So in Latvia and Ducati it's like 300 euros. Alright, so this side looks good. Small scratches here, but this side is good. Alright, the back. The seat is damaged. Here this rear fender, that plastic is not fender but inside plastic is damaged. The rear tail is broken. Yeah, the fuel tank is damaged as well, so we'll need to give the specialist. First time for Ducati in this channel, so 2021 Ducati. So I checked new one. The bike cost new one 2005 model like 25,000 euros. So I will not say how much we paid for it, but yeah, it's a good deal, and it will be interesting to rebuild this thing. I don't know why it's doing like that, but in real life it's normal. Like why it's like that when I'm filming, but all good with that speedo. I don't know why it's doing that. $36,000 kilometers. Back with the Ducati Streetfighter V4 2021 model. We'll start to remove broken parts, so let's start doing it. What we're gonna do, so I already removed the pegs, rear foot pegs. The one side I will remove, other side. Then we can start remove the tail, the seat, the rear light, and yeah, the cover, what is damaged. And now then we will remove this side, so I need to remove this panel, and because this one is broken, the wing, and this silver thing I need to remove. So after that we will remove front headlight and headlight cover, headlight fairing. The seat is damaged. There's one hole. So the clutch cover is scratched as well, so I will need to figure out what I need to do with this one, because see, the Japanese bikes you can just remove it like separate thing, like this one, the cover, but for this Ducati you can see it's whole, like in this whole thing is like in like one part, like here. I will show you in the picture what I'm gonna do. So I will put the tail like racing one. I will show you the picture from the eBay. interesting thing, the battery for this Ducati located here, so interesting. So let's move on with this plastic, with this side fairing. I need to remove this one, it's a little bit scratched as well. How I can do that? I think here, some screws. So the screws are here from the inside, and then here are the clicks, and then you are able to remove this cover. See, okay, so you need to lift it upside down. The side here is the wings, so as you can see on the other side, here are those wings that I have. I'm missing those wings, so it's broken. And this wrench screw is the last one. That's it. So this one is complicated. So it would be easier when I would remove the front wheel, but anyway, you can do it like this. Here are the cables from the front brakes. Alright. So actually this one is carbon, very light, but I have no idea how much it will cost me, the new one. I will show you.
Oh my God.
Alright, let's remove the front headlight. You can see in the bottom, so both screws, the brackets are broken, the headlight. Actually, it is pretty easy. So those two bottom screws were broken, and how it's attached. So here are two brackets. They are going inside the hole, and that's it. And yes, so you can remove it with the headlight, with the speedo on, and that's it. Pretty easy. That's it. All broken parts are removed, as you can see. Actually, it is pretty easy. I was a little bit worried that it would be difficult to working on with this Ducati. Like, but actually the fairings and the brackets are pretty simple. So yeah, here you can see all broken parts, broken damaged parts. So alright, that's it about the first part. I removed all broken parts, so I already ordered the new parts and awaiting them when they will be here. So then we will start rebuilding the bike. So if you have questions about this bike, so write in the comments, subscribe, and see you in the next video.